Walk like a leader, not a loser. Let me ask you something. When you enter a room, a class, a bus stop, or even a stage, what do people notice first? Your clothes? Your shoes? Your face? No, they notice how you walk. Your walk speaks louder than your voice. And here's the scary part. Most people are walking all wrong, not just physically, but mentally. So today, we're gonna fix that.
Assalamu alaikum. Wa alaikum assalam.
Your walk is your first impression. Before you speak, before you even blink, your walk says, "This is who I am. Deal with it." But here's what I found after observing people for weeks. Most folks walk like they're either running from a ghost or dragging the weight of the world behind them. So whether you're in New York or New Delhi, doesn't matter. If your walk is weak, your presence is invisible. And leaders, they're never invisible.
Wake up to reality. Nothing ever goes as planned in this accursed world.
Mistake 1. The clown walk. Ever seen people waddling like penguins? Or walking with their feet turned out like Charlie Chaplin? Looks funny, but not in a good way. It kills your presence. Keep your feet straight and parallel, like walking on train tracks. Mistake 2. The speed demon or the zombie. Some people walk so fast you'd think they're late for a fire drill. Others, so slow you'd think their battery died. Walk with intention, not panic or laziness. You're not rushing, you're arriving. Mistake 3. The background character always walking behind the group, hiding in corners. That's not mystery, that's insecurity.
Now, there is no future in which we reclaim these lands without Aaron, and there never will be. Go! Recover Aaron from the armored titan and retreat! Your heart and soul to the cause!
Singleton, wait!
Real leaders walk in the center. They don't hide in the shadows. They own the spotlight without even trying. Mistake 4. Tiny steps, tiny confidence. Taking baby steps like the floor might explode? Yeah, that doesn't scream confidence. Your steps should be solid, stable, balanced, not awkward like you're walking on eggshells. Mistake 5. Cross-leg walk, the zigzag shuffle. Feet crossing each other like you're on a runway when you're not. That's not style, that's confusion. Keep your steps clean and direct, not like you're dodging landmines. Mistake 6. No eye contact. No confidence. Looking at the floor or glancing away when people pass by, that's weak energy. Lift your chin. Look straight. If someone catches your eye, just nod or smile subtly. It shows control, confidence, calm. Alright, now that we've destroyed the weak habits, let's build the alpha walk. The leader's walk formula. Heels first, always. It gives your walk grounding. Shoulders back, relaxed swing. Slight rhythm, not stiff, not robotic. Eyes forward, head up like you're scanning your kingdom. Arms out of pockets. Let them move naturally. Confidence isn't hidden. Medium pace, not too fast, not too slow, just enough to say, I'm in control, I'm not chasing, I'm not escaping. Think Peaky Blinders Thomas Shelby. He doesn't walk, he glides like he owns the street, because mentally he does. Here's the thing most people miss. Your walk isn't just about movement, it's a statement. This is how I feel about myself. This is the energy I carry. And trust me, the world reads it loud and clear. When you fix your walk, your mind follows. You stop slouching, not just in posture, but in life. So next time you step out, don't walk like a loser hoping nobody notices. Walk like a leader who doesn't need permission to take space, because your walk is your trailer, and if that trailer's powerful, everyone's gonna want to see the full movie. Straighten up, look forward, and walk like the world is already watching.